amazing health benefits of strawberries. A sweet choice for your well-being. Strawberries are one of the most beloved fruits around the world, known for their sweet and tangy flavor. They also boast a wide range of health benefits. These small red fruits are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, helping to prevent various diseases and promote overall health. In this article, we'll explore the remarkable health benefits of strawberries with scientific explanations and how to incorporate them into your daily life. 1. Powerful antioxidant properties. Strawberries are packed with antioxidants such as anthocyanins, ellagic acid, quercetin, and vitamin C. These compounds help eliminate free radicals in the body and prevent cell damage, which contributes to anti-aging and disease prevention. Anthocyanins give strawberries their red color and help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. Ellagic acid is known for its anti-cancer and skin protective properties. Vitamin C boosts collagen production and strengthens the immune system. Tip: add frozen strawberries to your morning smoothie for a refreshing, antioxidant-rich drink. 2. Immune system boost. Bag of strawberries contain about 60mg of vitamin C, exceeding the daily recommended intake. Vitamin C enhances white blood cell function and strengthens resistance against pathogens, making it effective in preventing colds and infections. Activates immune cell, helps block virus entry, accelerates wound healing. Tip: slice strawberries into yogurt or salad for a delicious and nutritious boost of vitamin C. 3. Improved cardiovascular health. Strawberries are rich in flavonoids and dietary fiber, which help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Helps reduce LDL bad cholesterol and increase HDL good cholesterol. Fiber regulates blood lipids and helps prevent atherosclerosis. Scientific evidence. A Harvard study found that women who ate strawberry more than 3 times a week had a 32% lower risk of heart attacks. 4. Blood sugar regulation and diabetes prevention. Strawberries have a low glycemic index, helping to prevent spikes in blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Dietary fiber slows sugar absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes. Polyphenols improve insulin function and may lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Tip: swap high sugar desserts with fresh strawberries for healthier snacking. 5. Cancer prevention. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in strawberry help inhibit cancer cell growth and metastasis. Ellagic acid and anthocyanins protect DNA from damage and promote cancer cell apoptosis, cell death. Studies suggest strawberries may help prevent breast, colon, and esophageal cancer. Scientific evidence. A study at Ohio State University showed that strawberries in the diet could reduce the risk of esophageal cancer. 6. Brain health and memory enhancement. Flavonoids in strawberries protect brain cells from damage and support cognitive function, helps prevent cognitive decline, enhances memory and focus, slows age-related brain degeneration. Tip: great brain-boosting snack for students or professionals needing concentration. 7. Better skin health. Vitamin C in strawberries plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, helping maintain skin elasticity and a bright complexion, reduces wrinkles, protects against UV damage, helps reduce aging. The antioxidants also prevent oxidative stress in skin cells, delaying signs of aging. Tip: mash fresh strawberries with honey or yogurt for a natural face mask. 8. Improved digestion. Strawberries are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation, supports beneficial gut bacteria, aids in toxin elimination, promotes smooth bowel movement. Tip: start your day with strawberries and yogurt for better gut health. 9점. Weight management and diet friendly. Strawberries are low in calories, about 3035 cal per 100, high in water and fiber, and help promote satiety. Low calorie count, contains natural sugars that don't spike blood sugar quickly, virtually fat-free. Diet tip: use strawberries in detox, water or salads to increase fullness with fewer calories. 10점. Vision protection. Strawberries contain vitamins A, C, E, as well as lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect eye health and help prevent vision-related diseases such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Shields eyes from UV and blue light damage, relieves oxidative stress in retinal cells, helps prevent blurred vision. Tip: ideal for people who spend long hours on screens or in sunlight. Things to keep in mind when eating strawberries: pesticide removal, since the whole fruit is consumed. Wash thoroughly under running water or soak in a vinegar solution. Avoid overeating. Though healthy, strawberries still contain natural sugars. About 10 berries a day is a good guideline. Allergies: some people may have allergic reactions. So if you're trying strawberries for the first time, start with a small amount.